Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create shareable Kanban template links. This is a great way to let others use your designs while keeping the original file safe. To get started, go to the Canva dashboard. From here, all we need to do is choose the project or template we want to share as a template link. Once we've chosen it, click on the project to open the editing dashboard. Now that we're inside the project, click Share in the upper right corner. From here, we will see the template link option. Before we click the template link, make sure we have a Canva Pro or Business plan, as this feature requires one. As we can see here, when we click Activate Link, no link is generated because there is no premium plan on this account. However, once we have the plan and create the link, the template link will appear here. We can then share it with friends, teammates, or anyone else, so they can edit the design without affecting our original project. This makes it easy to turn any Canva design into a shareable template that others can open and customize. It's perfect for sharing with clients, teams, or an audience while keeping our original design safe. And that's how we create shareable Canva template links. Simple, quick, and a great way to collaborate.